Welcome back to AI Brief, episode 69, and wow, have we got a deep dive for you today.
Buckle up.
We're covering Siri falling behind
Uncanny Valley voices.
and Sora's integration with ChatGPT.
So,
Let's jump right in with
What?
Apple and their Siri overhaul.
oh,
It's facing major delays,
how major?
potentially pushed all the way to 2027.
Oh, wow.
A 2027 launch
Yeah.
would put Apple years behind in the AI race.
Think about it. Where will Alexa be by then?
Right, and this delay really highlights
Challenges.
Apple's facing integrating new AI into Siri's architecture,
Yeah, it's not just about adding new stuff.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
about rethinking how Siri works.
especially with reports saying user adoption of Apple's AI is lagging.
Well, people find them limited compared to the competition.
And on top of that, reports of internal struggles within Apple's AI division.
Like talent poaching, leadership changes.
It paints a picture of a company struggling to keep up.
You said it.
But let's move on to a company taking a different approach.
Okay, who?
Sesame, a startup by Oculus co-founder Brendan Iribe.
Interesting.
They're developing voice tech to make AI voices more natural, emotive.
So more human-like.
Exactly.
How are they tackling that?
Their conversational speech model analyzes conversation and adjusts the AI's tone and rhythm based on perceived mood.
That's pretty advanced.
And I even heard they're working on AI glasses with this tech.
Oh, wow. So like an always available AI companion.
It seems like a lot of companies are working towards that.
Like Hume, Amazon with Alexa Plus. It's a big trend.
Big changes are happening with OpenAI too.
Fill me in.
They're integrating Sora, their video generation tool,
Okay.
into ChatGPT.
Interesting. Do we know how yet?
Details are scarce, but imagine generating a video right in a ChatGPT convo.
That would be revolutionary.
OpenAI is also looking at a dedicated mobile app for Sora.
Wow. Putting that power in everyone's hand.
Right, and on top of that, they're developing a Sora-powered image generator.
Really? What's that going to be like?
It could surpass Dale E3 in photorealism.
Nope.
Plus, a faster Sora turbo model is in the works,
So they're going all in on Sora.
especially after that somewhat mixed reception after launch.
I remember that. Lots of hype. Then competitors advanced, and the rollout was,
Underwhelming.
yeah, integrating it into ChatGPT might revitalize interest.
Exactly, it's a strategic move to showcase its potential.
We'll see if it lives up to the hype.
Now, let's do a rapid-fire round of other AI developments.
Okay, hit me.
DeepSeek revealed their models could generate profit margins of 545%.
545%.
On what?
On inference costs compared to U.S. rivals operating at a loss.
That's a huge gap.
Then there's Dario Amodei, Anthropic's CEO.
What did he do?
He predicted AI will surpass the best human coders by 2026.
That's a bold claim.
But Anthropic is putting their money where their mouth is.
Oh, so?
They're participating in the Department of Energy's 1,000 Scientist AI Jam,
What's that about?
evaluating their Claude model for scientific research and national security.
So AI is getting serious.
Definitely. Even Samsung is getting in on the action.
They've added advanced AI features to their budget Galaxy A series phones.
So AI isn't just for the high-end devices anymore?
And Honor announced a $10 billion plan
Whoa, for what?
to transform into a global AI device ecosystem company,
It seems like everyone is jumping on the AI bandwagon.
including OpenAI.
What are they up to?
Sam Altman admitted they've completely exhausted their supply of GPUs.
What? How is that even possible?
Apparently, GPT 4.5's size is pushing hardware limitations.
Makes you realize how complex these models are.
But despite those challenges, AI is showing up in everyday tools.
Like what?
Like Google Sheets, they're getting new AI capabilities for data visualization.
Oh, interesting. Like what kind?
Think automatically generating heat maps and other advanced visualizations.
That'll save so much time.
And Chip Ganassi Racing is partnering with OpenAI
For what?
to bring AI-powered analytics to IndyCar racing.
Wow, AI is really everywhere.
Meanwhile, Microsoft is saying goodbye to an old friend.
Which one?
Skype. They're officially retiring it in favor of Microsoft Teams.
End of an era?
In the funding world,
What happened?
Sugar raised $15 million for their cloud marketplace transaction platform.
Cloud and AI seem to go hand in hand these days.
And Gombak AI secured $13 million to address cloud security backlogs.
Using AI, of course.
Naturally, now get ready,
For what?
because we've got a whole lineup of trending AI tools to tell you about.
Get me with it.
We'll be diving into GPT 4.5, Hunyuan Turbo S, Ideogram 2A, Pika 2.2,
Hold on, slow down.
Flora, Explain GitHub, Bardeen, Helix, Pinch, Brandwatch, Framer, and Optimove.
Wow, that's a lot.
And each offers unique capabilities that could change how we work and live.
I can't wait to break them all down.
Starting with GPT 4.5.
The latest from OpenAI.
It's creating a buzz with its emotional intelligence.
Right, like AI that understands and responds to emotion.
What makes GPT 4.5 so different?
Well, it can detect emotions in text
Yeah.
and generate text that conveys emotions.
So imagine chatbots that empathize with you.
AI assistants that adapt to your mood, it's next level.
AI is getting more human all the time. What about Hunyuan Turbo S?
Ah, the fast-thinking AI.
What makes it so fast?
It's all about rapid processing and decision-making.
So, real-time language translation,
Or making split-second decisions in a game.
like an AI chess grandmaster.
Exactly, always thinking ahead.
Now for Ideogram 2A, I know it's about image generation.
And it's optimized for graphics and text.
What makes it stand out?
Speed and accuracy in generating images with graphics and text.
Perfect for designing logos,
Creating marketing materials or even social media visuals.
saving designers and marketers tons of time.
Absolutely.
Okay, what about Pika 2.2?
Pika focuses on video, creating transitions and transformations.
Those eye-catching visual effects we see everywhere.
Exactly, making videos more dynamic and engaging.
AI is really changing how we create content. Then there's Flora.
Flora is all about connecting different AI models.
Text, image, and video all working together.
It's like a visual programming environment for AI.
You could create a script with a text model.
Then generate storyboards with an image model.
And finally, bring it to life as a video.
A complete multimedia production studio powered by AI.
Wow, it's mind-blowing. So how does it work?
You drag and drop models, connecting them to create workflows.
So no coding experience needed.
Exactly. It democratizes access to complex AI.
Making these tools accessible to everyone is key. Now for Explain GitHub.
This one's a lifesaver for developers.
How so?
It analyzes code, identifies components, and generates explanations,
So it helps developers understand complex code bases.
especially newcomers to a project, saving them a ton of time.
And then we have Bardeen.
The AI co-pilot for go-to-market teams.
What does that even mean?
It's a browser extension that streamlines workflows.
And helps close deals faster.
Right, by connecting to your tools, automating tasks.
Providing insights, like an AI assistant for sales and marketing.
Exactly, helping them work smarter, not harder.
Now for Helix, this one sounds revolutionary for startups.
You turns your idea into an investor-ready prototype.
In minutes.
You input your idea, pick a template, and let the AI do its thing.
So no more struggling to create a prototype.
It lets startups test and iterate their ideas quickly.
It's giving entrepreneurs a real advantage. What about Pinch?
Pinch is all about communication. It's a real-time AI interpreter.
So instant voice translation during video calls,
In over 30 languages, no more language barriers.
bridging cultures, and fostering global collaboration.
That's the power of AI.
Now for Brandwatch, this sounds essential for marketers.
It uses AI to analyze your consumer data,
Providing insights into sentiment, perception, and market trends.
like having an AI-powered market research team,
Helping marketers make data-driven decisions.
and stay ahead of the curve.
What about Framer? I've heard it can generate websites in seconds.
That's right, it analyzes content, selects templates, and assembles the site.
So you go from idea to live website in seconds.
It's making web design accessible to everyone.
No technical expertise required.
And finally, we have Optimove.
Tell me about it.
It personalizes marketing campaigns and optimizes engagement.
Using AI.
Of course, it analyzes data, segments audiences, and personalizes messaging,
It's like an AI marketing strategist.
reaching the right customer with the right message.
AI is changing how brands connect with their audiences. From Siri's struggles to the rise of emotive AI voices
We've covered a lot of ground.
and those trending AI tools.
It's amazing to see how much AI is changing the world.
AI is everywhere, and it's only getting started.
We're just at the beginning of this AI revolution.
So, as we wrap up, any final thoughts for our listeners?
If you're intrigued by these tools, don't just listen.
Yeah.
Explore them, experiment, discover how they can enhance your life and work.
Great advice. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into AI,
Make sure to follow AI Brief for more.
don't forget to share this episode. Spread the AI knowledge.
The more we learn and share, the better we can navigate this transformative landscape.
Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time for another AI adventure.